Hello, good morning. Kawasaki Amos branch near at Aguinaldo Highway beside MG Cars and Harley Davidson. So we have a 2 unit ng Z1000. So we have a ZH2 1000 with supercharge, Z9 standard edition, and we have a Z500, the 2024 model, the special edition, and we have a Z500 standard edition. So comparing sa dalawa na to na Z500 special edition and Z standard edition, so standard edition they have a slider, special edition the slider, radiator cover, tapos full TFT display, LED light, then may crash guard. The next natin is standard edition, bulb light, fine signal, TFT display with border,